Almost everyone in this world is aware of the alluring beauty of the Grand Himalayas, and we all have at some point in time dream about exploring the beauty of the Himalayas. The beauty of Himalayas is in their unique rustic calm tranquility and cool natural aura. The mighty Himalayas and the charm they cast. One voyage to the mountains and you will not stay the same, always waiting for another trip back to its mighty folds. Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and I am Hina Talati. I am here to speak about our majestic Himalayas. The Himalayas is the highest mountain range in the world and has 9 out of 10 of the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest. The Himalayas stretch across the northeastern portion of the India and cover approximately 2,400 kilometers. The Himalayas are a rich tapestry of cultures and landscapes spanning 6 diverse countries. The stretch of the majestic mountain ranges is home to some of the most inspiring sights in the world, starting in Afghanistan before descending upon Pakistan, India, Nepal and China before ending in secretive Bhutan. It is believed that the Himalayan mountain range and the Tibetan plateau have formed as a result of collision between the Indian plate and Eurasian plate, which began 50 million years ago and continues today. This immensely magnificent mountain range began to form between 40 and 50 million years ago when two large land masses, India and Eurasia, driven by the plate movement, collided. They took about several million years to attain this present height. The heights of Himalayas are covered with the perpetual snow which feeds the valley glaciers. The Himalayas are the third largest deposit of ice and snow in the world after Antarctica and the Arctic. There are approximately 15,000 glaciers located throughout the range. At 72 kilometers in length, the Himalayan Siachen Glacier is the largest glacier outside the poles. The Himalayas are one of the youngest mountain range on the planet, and because of the great amount of tectonic motion still occurring at the site, the Himalayas have a proportionally high number of earthquakes and tremors. It's no wonder that this mountain range is geographically alive quarter of an inch every year. This range is home to 9 of the 10 highest peaks on the earth, including the highest above sea level Mount Everest. Apart from being a geographical entity, it has in various ways shaped the life and culture of the South Asian people. Himalaya is the pride of India. Himalaya mountain is decorated like a crown of India's head of the land. The poets have addressed this as a symbol of an ardent, ascetic and elevated symbol. Since ancient times, the vast glaciated heights have attracted the attention of pilgrim mountaineers of India, who coined the Sanskrit name Himalaya from Hima means snow and Alaya means above. In the northeast Himalayas, temperate sub-alpine conifer forests are formed at the elevations of 13,800 feet. They are located in the inner valley areas, and these forests are protected from the harsh monsoon conditions by surrounding mountain ranges. The dominant tree types of pine, hemlock, spruce and fir are seen here. Animals found in this region include red pandas, takins and musk deer. Found in middle elevations in the eastern region are broadleaf and coniferous forests. In addition to indigenous oaks and maples, plants like orchids, lichen and ferns also grow in this area. A huge range of wildlife, including over 500 species of birds, are found here during the cooler seasons before they migrate to higher elevations to escape the hot summers. This is also the primary home for golden langur monkeys. On the outer Himalayan range are Himalayan subtropical broadleaf forests. Here there is a wide range of plant life due to the varied topography, soil types and rain levels. Wildlife like many threatened species, including tigers and Asian elephants, are seen here. More than 340 different species of birds can be found in this region. These mountains, referred to as the third pole, are the source of some of the Asia's major rivers and also help to regulate our planet's climate. The Himalayas are the source of the Indus, the Yangtze and Ganga Brahmaputra, which are the three major river systems of the continent of Asia. Now let's talk about how do the Himalayas influence the India climate. The Himalayas have a profound effect on the climate of Indian subcontinent and the Tibetan plateau. They prevent the frigid dry winds from blowing south into the subcontinent, which keeps the South Asia much warmer than corresponding temperate regions in the other continents. It also accounts for the difference in the climatic and weather patterns between Indian subcontinent from the rest of the Asia. They save our country from the cold and dry winds of Central Asia. It also prevents the rain-laden monsoon winds of Indian Ocean from crossing over the northern countries and causes heavy rainfall in the northern India. The Himalayas comprise the most dominating geographical feature of the India. No other mountain range anywhere in the world has affected the life of people and shaped the destiny of a nation as the Himalayas have in respect of India. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in watching this type of documentaries, please subscribe this channel and click the notification button so that you will never miss this opportunity.